Hello and welcome back to Module 3 for ID116. This addendum is because I forgot to talk about how to pack your textures before you turn in your Blender file. So in this week's module, we discussed how to bring in PBR textures and how to apply them. Real quickly, I'm going to go ahead and do that for this one. And using Node Wrangler, I am able to just select the maps that I want, bring in the principal texture set, and it's going to apply it to my object. Let's go ahead and save this real quick, Control S. Now, one thing I want to make sure you understand is when I do this, what I am doing is I am telling this Blender file to look into this folder and then find this folder and then find those maps that I told it to find. If I were to simply submit just the blend folder or the blend file, I will not have my textures and everything in my scene will be a bright purple color that it turns when Blender can't find your textures. But there is a quick and easy way to make sure that you submit your textures along with your blend file for your assignment. Real quick, I want to just show this blend file is approximately 133 kilobytes. My materials happen to be, let's go to properties, there we are. About 30 megs. There's some files in there that I don't need, but that's about 30 megs worth of data right there. All right. So what we're going to do is we are going to go back to our blend file, and I'm going to go to File, External Data, and select Pack Resources. Now, when I do this, it'll tell me down here at my menu bar, my information window down here, it's going to tell me that it packed 14 files for me. Now, what that did was it went and it took all the necessary files out of those folders, brought them in, and made them part of my blend file. So if I come up here and I'm going to do a save as, and we'll just go ahead and add a number 2 to the end of this. We'll say save. If I bring this back now, we can see that the new blend file is about 8 megs as opposed to 133 kilobytes. So it's considerably larger. And that's because it went and it found all of those JPEGs that I designated, and it brought them in and put them in to this file for me. So that way, when you submit your blend file, I can open it up, and Blender is going to show me all the amazing PBR textures that you included in your project. If you have questions, be sure and reach out to me. I look forward to seeing what you build.